Welcome everyone to a little crafter show. Today we are doing DIY planner stickers using your Cricut. Hello and welcome everyone to a little crafter show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter, and we are working with the Cricut app on your phone or iOS device. So right now I'm just going under planner and I'm picking out some planner images. I'm just going to be working with the sizes for the classic happy planner and the big or large planner. I went under the Cricut images and I'm looking for anything planner related. This image of the Captain Gown hat is from Storyblock. And so I'm just making a square out of it. For a classic planner size square is 1.51 by 2.41. I'm also going to be adding some text to that as well, just so that I can show you what that all looks like. You want to center the image, which you will go under the edit button, or if you right click it, you go and you would see it on top on your desktop. I made that. If you're going to do it for the classic size, I said the classic size already, sorry. If you're going to do it for the big size, you're going to use the size 1.89 by 2.95. And I also made these little stickers, which is 0.5 by 0.4. I kind of feel like 0.6 by 0.5 would be a great size for the sticker size for the big size. So here I made my flags. I hide contour that, and then I'm going to flatten, and then I change the colors. Actually, I forgot to do a step on this one. I actually forgot to take out some of the flags, because normally for a classic size flag, it would be 6 spots, and that would be 2.41 by 0.2 for the flags. For a big size would be 0.95 by 0.3, and that consists of 8 spots. But I mean, I'm sure you can switch it up. Kind of my list, which this one, what I should have done was made sure that was the principal one. I did flip it over, which is under the edit panel. I kind of made a big boo-boo. But if you're going to make a big sticker or a list with this one, I would highly recommend make sure that it is the principal one. You can filter that, which I later do after billions and zillions of trying. I finally figured it out. If you're going to make a sticker size or a list like this, for the classic, it would be 3 by 2.41. And for the classic size, it would be for the big size, it would be 3.8 by 2.95 or 3 inches. So yeah, so it's been a learning curve. And again, pretty much all of these images are from the Cricut. And if you guys have any comments or questions, I would definitely love to hear from you. And at this point, I'm now realizing, okay, I picked the wrong one. So I got to figure it out. And I did that edit thing. So I'm going to flip it again. I'm going to line up those pieces and to kind of get my sizes together, because I always forget the size. So and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.